0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
Just realizing now it's a minefield out here.
Yeah. I noticed that shit.
I was like, oh, okay. All right. I'm like, is there a pooper scooper somewhere?
What's
Easy. I'm like, is there a pooper scooper somewhere?
Yeah, but total.
Can I just manage that real quick?
Here, push the chain or be sharper than this again. You got that rope.
I know what's happening. The woodpecker up there.
What?
The woodpecker.
Oh.
Smells like I stirred up a fresh pile.
They don't call you private pile for nothing.
There's one side. I'll do this side too.
Way on you.
I know. Listen, Dad. I'll be there in a second. I just told you. For safety reasons, I felt like I needed to tie my boots. And you know what? I'm gonna double do it too. I'm gonna go back on the other one, and I'm gonna do the double thing so that the things don't go loose. You know.
All
All right.
Places you ask people to do. I mean,